Students, myself Niladji Shekhar Pal, Assistant Professor, Computer Science and Engineering Department, Greater Kolkata College of Engineering and Management. In our previous class, we have discussed the geometrical representation of bisection method. Today, we will do a simple exam on bisection method. Using bisection method, we will find the root of an equation. So, students, let's do it. So, students, there is a problem. Solve the equation x cube minus 9x plus 1 equals to 0 for the root between x equals to 2 and x equals to 4 by the method of bisection. So we have to find out the value of x from the equation x cube minus 9x plus 1 equals to 0. And this is also mentioned here, x0 equals to 2 and x1 equals to 4. This means the root lies between 2 and 4. So let's do a table. Okay, so this is the table. 1 x2 is x0 plus x1 by 2, and next is f of x2. Next one is f of x2. Okay, so x0 x1. So at first the value of x0 is 2, x1 is 4. So the value of x2 will be, so x0 is 2, x1 is 4, so x2 will be 3. And f of x2 means we have to put the value of x, that is 3 here, and if we put the value of x as 3 here, we will get f x2 as plus 1. Okay, and this is a positive value. Okay, this is 1 and this is a positive values. Okay, so as we know, for x, now we have to check for x equals to 2, what is the value of f of 2. As we know, f of 2 is minus 9 and f of 4 is 29. Okay, you please calculate it. F of 2 is minus 9 and f of 4 is 29. Now we will find f of 3. Okay, it is 1. So this is also a positive. So therefore the root lies between 2 and 3, because f of 2 is minus 9 and f of 3 is plus 1. So here will be 2 and here this is 3. Next x2 is 2.5 and f of x2 will be minus 5.875, and this is a negative value. Here when there fx is positive, we exchange the value of x1, and here the value is fx is negative, so we will change it with this one, x0. Okay, so 2.5 and 3. Next the value of x2 will be 2.75. okay, and this will be also again a negative value. Please check. Okay, we just required whether it is positive or negative, not the exact value. Okay, so if this is negative, then this value will come to this position. Okay, then 2.75 and 3, and the value will be 2.875, and again this will be a negative one. Okay, next, so this one is negative, so this value will come here, and the new value of x2 will be 2.9375, and again if we put this value to this equation, we will find a negative value. Okay, so this value again will come here, 2.9375, and this one is 3, and the new value will be 2.96875. okay, and this is also a negative value. Okay, so we can see that this is the value of 2.96. so we can say that therefore the root of the equation is 2.9687. Okay student, so this is the answer. Okay, so what we will do first, we first do the value of, we found the value of f of 2, okay, because this is given, and find f of 4 because x equal, we have said that the root lies between x equals to 2 and x equals to 4. We see that f of 2 is negative and f of 4 is positive. Okay, so we make an table. First x0, x1, x2 and fx2. Here x2 equal to x0 plus x1 by 2. This is the bisection method, that is why we bisect these two values. Okay, so this is x0, this is x1. We next find x2 and this is fx2. The value of fx2 is positive. Okay, and this is 1 and this is a positive value. So as we can see, f of 2 is negative, f of 4 is 29 and f of 3 is positive. As we know, always we will take two values, one is positive and one is negative. So if we take this one is negative and this one is positive, so the root lies between 2 and 3. Okay, this is how we have this. So students, do you have any problem or others, you can WhatsApp me or can call me. So students, this is your bisection method. Stay well, stay safe and stay at home.